Alright, welcome to the Kamdorian unboxing. We got a big shipment here from Goulet and Amazon and a lot of goodies. Look at this thing. So many boxes, so many unknown items. What are we gonna do? We're gonna open it all. Let's get started. Alright, let's start opening stuff. We got a Jinhao here. Beautiful Jinhao box. Carriage on the front. Solid opening. Wow, look at that. We got some felt thingy with some, feels like cartridges. Nice little cleaning towelette. Soft cloth. Oh damn, look at that. Look at that shiny bling. This is the Chainmail. Here we go. It's like a Chainmail. Beautiful silver and gold. Got the arrow accent on the clip. Boop. Boop. Beautiful. Just feels great in the hands. Look at that. Alright, let's pop it. Oh. Look at that nib. We got a nice nib. Beautiful nib. Gold and silver. Look at that. Jinhao really is amazing for the price point. You can't beat it. This is a fine nib. It's got the nice black handle with the gold accents. Beautiful touch. Let's open her up. Comes with a, looks like an international piston converter. Look at that, they even have a Cartridge logo right there. Jinhao with the fine touches. Props. Next decision is, what ink are we going to put in this? Who knows? Alright. Let's pop in the post. Look at that. Beautiful post popper. Just flawless. Can't wait to write with this baby. Alright, now for the most satisfying part. Oh yeah, snap it. That's a great one. Alright, let's move on here. What's in this box? Magic silver box. It's not bad. Pretty nice. You guessed it, another Jinhao. I guess I went a little Jinhao crazy. Comes in a plastic wrap, unfortunately. Look at that. Jinhao with a diamond. It's a nice touch. Black on silver. Pretty nice. Nice weight. Nice release. Look at that nib. It's like a typical Jinhao. Really small nib. But it's like the Jinhao 51A, is it? Similar small nib. Looks pretty nice though. It's got a nice grip here with the grooves, because it is pretty slippery, so the grooves help. It's just a simple silver black design. Beautiful. Let's pop her open. What are we gonna find? Oh, another cartridge. I mean converter. But this one's, look at that. You just like push that down. Oh, it doesn't want to move. Oh, there you go. It's like a pump action. Pumper. No more twisties. All about the pump action. Very nice. Oh, some squeak action. Squeaky clean. I'm gonna ink this bad boy up with some black maybe? Some X feather? Alright, get ready for it. Here's a popper. Yeah. That was a nice one. Oh, look what we have. Another Jinhao. Guess we're just a little Jinhao crazy. Tons of wasting of plastic, but what are you gonna do? Ooh. It's another similar box to the other one. Here's my... You get the big logo or you get the subtle carriage in the corner popper. It's not bad. Pretty classy. How do we open this bad boy? Oh, it's a slider. Oh. Slider poppy. Oh, and then we got the inside big boy Jinhao. Alright, now we got the nice wraparound, wrapperoni. Oh, we got the same little nice cloth velvet pouch that has some cartridges in it. Looks like a good case. We got a nice little cleaning cloth. Can't even talk. Oh boy, this thing is in here, wrapped tight like a little blanket, holding the pen for dear life. Get this bad boy out of there. Just got a pile of boxes here now. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So this is another chainmail anchor clip design. I don't know if you can see that. Not anchor, what am I saying? Arrow. It's pretty nice. This is same chainmail collection, but this is just a nice gloss black and gold. It's kind of dirty, but you know, very nice and glossy. It's pretty light too. Got a nice black on gold at the end. Bottom, nothing really there, little hole. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, you can tell it's very similar to the silver chainmail edition. Got the black handle. The gold. Oops. The gold in the gold. Beautiful gold on silver nib. You know, it's not really gold, but, you know, still looks very nice. Very nice. This thing is dirty. You gotta use that wipey. Softy, you know? Get some soft action in there. Put that down. Alright, let's open her up. Probably the same international. Yup. And there's a twisty. And we got the carriage logo right there. Solid. Solid collection. This is the chainmail collection. Very happy with this one. Let's snap it. Get the popper. Nice. Alright, what do we have here? Some nibs. We got some Lamy nibs. Ooh, we have a number 6 Goulet nib in there. That big boy. That's a little Lamy. We got, looks like a Cone 41 maybe. I don't know. It's the Pilot. No, sorry. The Lamy Z28 converter. We got the little baby Cone 40s. That's what I was talking about. This is for, I think, Pilot. I'm not really sure though. But wow, look at that. Let me open this up. It's pretty nice. It's got like beads in it. I don't know if you can see them rolling around. But they kind of, I guess, mix the ink. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, what do we find here? A lost Jinhao. This sucker didn't even come in the box. It's just like a straight up plastic wrap. Like, wow. But it's a pretty nice pen. This is the Jinhao 250, is it? Let's wrapper says 250 stainless steel, gold trim. Pretty nice. You got a gold and silver trim. A little black in the middle there. Not bad. Oh wow, look at that. It's got the silver. Let's go and show you the box of silver with the gold on the ends. Really nice, really nice. Oh wow. It's smooth, but it's rigid. You know, it has some grooves, so it's not gonna fall out of your hands. Another beautiful gold and silver nib. Jinhao never disappoints. I'm sure the inside looks the same as the last 3 Jinhaos we opened, but you know, got a twisty piston popper. All right, good to go. Close her up. Now we're gonna do the goodbye sound. Oh, that pop was weak. Come on, what was that? That was weak. Oh, I keep forgetting to post them. I guess I'm not a poster. I don't really post, you know. I like to pop it, but I'm not really a poster. Looks nice though. Let's get a better one this time. Yeah, there we go. That popple crackle. Alright, let's move on. I got cute little turtle. Look at that. Goulet pens. They know us so well. How do they know we love turtles? Who told them? Beautiful turtle sticker. Oh, this is a Pilot Custom 74. Not gonna open this because you know who it is for. Alright, that's for the next one. When my co-host joins, you shall see. Alright, moving on. We got another Pilot. Kakuno. This is for the co-host as well. The wifey. You know. I'll be dropping them like it's hot. Oh, this is for me. Metropolitan. Beautiful. Beautiful beginner pen. Makes you feel classy. Not too heavy. We got some booklets in here. Oh, look at that. The MR collection. Check it out. Check it out. Let's get that box back in there. Look at that. Oh, what's so sad. The pen fell out of its kind of nest and is a little loose. But, you know, the usual typical nice Pilot box you get. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Silver bullet. That's a silver bullet right there. Beautiful. Look at this silver in the middle. Very nice. Feels very smooth but grippy. Oh yeah. Classic, beautiful black on silver with a silver nib. This is a medium nib. Really excited to write with this bad boy. Poster popper. Yeah, it posts, but don't really need that. Now for the one thing, when we open her up, what are you gonna get? This really irritating squeeze piston filler majiggy that I don't really like. So that's why we have all those converters. So we're gonna be happy with our converters in our Pilot Metropolitan. Beautiful pen. Popped it away. What else we got? A bag of sample dies. Wow, look at that. We really went crazy with the samples, didn't we? We're going to have to take a deeper look at these later when we go into the writing samples, but lots of nice things to try. Oh, another bag. Couldn't fit them all in one. A lot of nice inks to try. Let's do it. And this is going to hold all of our nice inks. See? Boom. Pop it in. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Ready to go. No more falling around in a bin. No more, you know, leakage. It's like a mad scientist house here with a test tube rack. Oh, liberty. Oh, liberty. Can't live without the liberty. Can we? I don't think so. And you guys know what this is. Noodlers. Sorry, plastic. Liberty Elysium. Noodlers. This is exciting. This is one of the favorite blues. I'm all about the blue dyes. That's all I need in life is a blue dye. And this is one of the best blue dyes. Of course, created with the hands of Brian Goulet. Pretty cool artwork on there. A lot of historical stuff. But yeah, I love this blue. Excited to put this in some more pens and have a blast. Alright. Now for the grand finale. For all the bells and whistles and, you know, all the fun times. Can't do nothing without this bad boy. We got a new Rhodia pad. Look at that. It's big. It's a big boy. Oh, I'm kind of, it's flimsy. Okay, never mind, it's the other side. It's kind of dirty, but, you know, this thing got a little beat up here. If you can see that, it's a little bent, but it should still be fine. Nice and straight. A little bit bent. Oh well, it happens. This is a Rhodia, number 18. 80 grams. 80 gram per meter squared. Oh wow. This is exciting. Now, oops, we got lines. You know what I mean? We got a nice ring on top. Make it easy. Doodle daddle. You know, all you gotta do is get that dust off your hands. Pick up a nice little bonger right like this. And just go at it. It's not inked yet, but that's tomorrow. Alright, well that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed a little taste of the Kamdorian world. Good night.